Majestic giants of the wild, elephants, nature's most captivating marvels. Introduction. Imagine yourself standing amidst the enchanting wildness of Africa, the rustling leaves and melodious bird songs filling the air as you witness a sight that commands respect and admiration. A group of majestic elephants, the ground trembles as they move, their massive frames exuding an aura of grace and power. Elephants, nature's most captivating marvels, have fascinated humanity for centuries. In this blog, we delve into the awe-inspiring world of elephants, unlocking the secrets that make these creatures so irresistibly appealing, irresistibly appearing. The grand parade and overview of elephants. Elephants, renowned for their impressive size and remarkable intelligence, are nothing short of astounding. These gentle giants are the world's largest terrestrial animals, with the African elephant towering up to 13 feet and weighing a colossal 14,000 pounds. The sight of these magnificent creatures is enough to leave anyone in awe, but there is more to these creatures than just their imposing size. The mind of an elephant have inspiring intelligence. One of the most intriguing aspects of elephants is their remarkable intelligence. They have brains that weigh as much as 11 pounds, making them the largest brains of any land animals. Elephant cognition is a subject of ongoing research, revealing incredible feats of memory, social awareness, and problem solving abilities. In fact, elephants have been known to display empathy and mourn their dead, showcasing a depth of emotional intelligence that we can all appreciate and respect. Family ties. The social lives of elephants are highly social animals living in close knit family groups led by a matri- matriarch, the eldest and most experienced female. These family units are often comprised of several generations, demonstrating a sense of community and cooperation that many of us could learn from witnessing, witnessing these gentle giants interact, play, and care for each other is a test, testament to the power of blood, family bonds. Eco warriors, elephants as environmental stewards. Beyond their captivating size and intelligence, elephants play a vital role in their ecosystems as ecological engineers. They shape their environments by dispersing seeds, creating water holes, and maintaining the balance in the forests they inhabit. The preservation of elephants is crucial for the health of their habitats and the countless other species that rely on them. Conservation crusaders protecting elephants for future generations. While we celebrate the grandeur and allure of elephants, we must also acknowledge the challenges they face in the wild. Poaching and habitat loss threaten these magnificent creatures. It is our responsibility to support conservation efforts and ensure that future generations can share in the wonder of these creatures. Conclusion. Join the Elephanto magic in a world filled with remarkable creatures. Elephants stand as unparalleled champions of nature's beauty, intelligence, and strength. The next time you see an image or hear about these majestic giants, take a moment to appreciate the profound impact they have had on our world. Join the global community in celebrating elephants and supporting their preservation. After all, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that the spellbinding wonder of elephants continues to enchant and inspire for generations to come. That's all.